My name is Avanesyan and I'm a volunteer in Armenian Red Cross Society. On my way to the discovery of COVID-19 solution, I stopped on four main challenges that have been pressuring my country as well as the population, which led me to the name of my idea, Square of Balance. With the immense help of my team of 30, from which I would love to mention Mane, Ilona, and Osanna, we did our first step forward to the after coronavirus solution improvement using the 2A system, which is emotion and economy. Right now, our most vulnerable citizens are children who lost their family members because of coronavirus as well as war. So I started to think about the events that will entertain them and at the same time will have some type of a serious impact on the other spheres. And that's when industry and economy came to my mind. Have you ever thought about small and middle companies during and after pandemic? They lost their tiny places in the industry. And by participation in one of the workshops called Are You Solving the Right Problem? I collected all my ideas in one huge system and one by one brought them to reality. First of all, I collected a team who was ready to support kids as well as me. Then I found all the information about tours in social media, made sure that the weather would be fine, found out safety conditions of tours, finally chose one, asked from volunteers to find families with heartbreaking situation, checked everything about personal information of that family, and as an addition, watched several videos about proper communication. After that, we started to call the parents who lost their sons or husbands because of war and suggested our help. During heartbreaking conversations with parents, I spoke with the tour agency One Way Tour and received a tour to one of the most culturally rich cities in Armenia, Gyumri. Armenian Red Cross Society supplied us with sweets, tour guides supplied us with excitement and interesting information for parents as well as kids, and we all tried our best to combine it all and supply kids with joy and happiness. I consider myself lucky enough to have this huge experience which led me to the communication and work with different people and different companies. Might sound a bit sad, but it made me realize that the situation in Armenia is not in that phase where you can either let your hair down or hopelessly give up and leave. Putting this unbelievably difficult seeming idea into reality was really adventurous, but at the same time very responsible. Realizing that you have done something for people who are not guilty in this horrendous situation, also known as kids, will put a lot of emotional pressure on everyone. But the results are always the best. They can be represented as a smile, a giggle, a thank you, a use of information that you gave them, and so on. From testing and learning point of view, the researchers played their main role. Finding out so many programs and facilities for people is a source of new ideas and programs, for which I hope I will have my chance to use them for families and kids. Knowing that I'll have from 4 to 6 weeks of planning, organizing my ideas if I get any funding, I would concentrate on the entertainment of kids by taking them to fun fairs, tours, and so on. But most importantly, I would organize educational programs because, as they say, it's not only about fun, you should get knowledge as well. I would also plan an excursion to Armenian Red Cross Society office and tell them our story because who knows, maybe there is hiding a brave heart of volunteer inside that little creature.